Get your lion. Can you get his lion?
Available at NFL.com/magazine and newsstands everywhere. Getting out of the pocket, Sean Cody just looking up the middle and a nice little sidestep by Flacco and then a good bat.